This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about kebab skewers, specifically this Metlux Shish Kebab skewer set. It's an 8-piece set that comes with 6 of these 17-inch skewers and also 2 racks. And you can see we've got it set up with the skewers on the racks here. Both are made of corrosion-resistant stainless steel, and these 2 elevated grill racks are really what set this little set apart. They make grilling easy work since they're going to keep your foods from sticking to the grill surface or burning. And these can also be used in the oven as well, which is super awesome. The set is dishwasher safe, making cleanup easy. And these are perfect for grilling a variety of things, whether that's the traditional kebabs or other meat skewers, veggie setups, whatever you want. If you need to stick it on a skewer and throw it on the grill, this is a really great way to do it. The points make them really easy to load up, and these handles on the end make them really easy to turn. So these are perfect for restaurants, caterers, or just for use at home at your next family barbecue.